Owen found a small ticket on the station floor, and his bus was already opening its doors. Why did he stop? Write your guess in one English sentence. The station was quiet in the early morning. Owen held his own ticket in his coat pocket. He wanted to visit his sister across the city. He looked at the big clock. The blue bus would leave at 8:15. Owen walked across the station floor.
I have 5 minutes.
Near the long bench, he saw a small paper ticket. It was pale blue, and one corner was bent. He picked it up. On the front, it said, "Blue Bus, 8:15, Seat 4." On the back, there was a tiny red star.
This is not mine.
A soft bell rang over the platform. The blue bus doors opened. "Blue bus to North Street. Please come in." Owen touched his own ticket in his pocket. He could step onto the bus and leave on time. But the little blue ticket stayed in his hand. An older woman stood beside him with a small green bag.
Are you getting on?
Yes, but I found this ticket.
Someone may need it.
Owen looked around the platform. A little girl stood near the map with her grandmother. The girl looked at her shoes. Her grandmother opened a purse, then closed it again. Owen heard the driver call the last minute. "1 minute, please." Owen walked to the glass window beside the driver. Owen slid the ticket under the glass.
Driver, I found this on the floor.
"Thank you. Let me see." The driver turned the ticket over. There is a red star on the back.
Yes,
"I know this mark." The driver looked through the bus window. Lena draws a star on every ticket. The girl by the map looked up. Her grandmother raised a hand.
Is that her ticket?
"I think so." The driver walked to the small office. The driver turned a small key. He opened the side window and called softly. "Lena, did you lose your ticket?" The girl nodded. She looked worried, but she did not cry. Owen gave the ticket to the driver. The driver gave it to the grandmother. "Here it is, Seat 4. The grandmother smiled at Owen. She held the child's hand. The little red star was safe again. Owen felt warm, but he also felt worried. Helping felt right. Missing the bus would feel difficult.
That was kind.
I only found it. You also stopped.
Owen looked at the clock again. It was 8:14. His heart beat fast. The driver pointed to the open door. Come on, Owen. You still have your own ticket. Owen laughed quietly.
Thank you.
Lena and her grandmother sat in seat 4. Owen sat 2 seats behind them. The blue bus doors closed softly. The bell rang one more time. The bus moved away from the station. Owen watched the red star through the seat gap. It looked very small, but it changed the morning. Owen thought about his own ticket. His ticket was only paper, too, but it carried him across the city. Lena's ticket was small, too, but it carried her back to a calm face. Sometimes a small thing is not small to the person who needs it. Now you know why Owen stopped. He was not late because he helped. He still caught the bus. I found this on the floor. I found this on the floor. Another useful sentence. Someone may need it. Were you right? Write one English sentence in the comments. If you like bus and travel stories, you can watch the story about Mila taking the wrong bus. It is here for you. Some tools for speaking practice are in the description. They can help you practice small, honest sentences every week. Subscribe for a new, warm English story every week.